Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply blur background on your Picsart image. Okay, so in order to put the blur effect in your background, what you want to do is quite simple. Start up a new project from this point here. So I'll come to see all so that I can see all the photos in my gallery. So I'll select a photo that I want to use for this experiment. So I'll need to scroll down a bit. Then I look for the perfect photo. Alright, this is not a perfect photo, so let me go back again. See all, then I look for a perfect photo. So I'll select a photo that is perfect for this blur background effect. Alright, so I'm scrolling, then I'm selecting this one here. So after selecting it, what you want to do is to come to effects, then apply blur. Then you can adjust the blur like that. So after that, tap on this tick over here. Okay, so after that, come to the add photo over here, add photo. So import the same photo you had imported at first. So I'll look for the photo where this woman is standing at the beach. Alright, this is a photo. So you tap on add again. So right now resize this photo to fit the original photo which is blurred already. Okay, so after that scroll this side and look for cutout. Okay, so cutout is there. So select person. Alright, so after that tap on the tick over here. Okay, so as you can see, our blur effect has applied. So we just need to tap on this tick. So as you can see, we have literally made the blur background of this photo whereby this woman is standing at the beach. Okay, so if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. We shall meet in the next video.